lot number 118. It's a 2007 Southwest Manufacturing enclosed trailer. It's approximately 14 feet long. It's a dual axle enclosed trailer. And it shows some wear and tear. It appears to be in good shape. All four tires look fair. They actually look good, but they've been sitting around for so long, they may be dry rotted. Yeah, they show little cracks. You look right there. So I wouldn't trust them on the road. I would trust them just to get to the tire shop and get them replaced. All four tires do hold air. Now there's still some glue residue from the decal removal, which will be removed. It should clean up a little better than that. The body is straight. It's got minor dents and scratches. It shows normal wear and tear. This one came from the police department. Now it's got some damage inside. Barn style. Rear doors open and close as they should. The wood on the doors does look like it's got moisture in the bottom, but they still appear to be solid. Wood paneling in here looks pretty good, but there is a lot of what appears to be termite or ant wings. So there's some wood damage from termites. These vents right here, they're both missing. They're plastic, they've broken, so a lot of rainwater has been coming through this trailer. The floor back here looks solid. First board looks good. The second board looks good. Then the third one is rotted all the way through. You can see the floor and you can see the grass. And this door does open. And you got a pool. So both doors do open and close as they should. So as you see, it's divided right there in the middle. Then you have a side door here. And this is where the damage is. This whole board right here needs to be replaced. A lot of rainwater has been coming in, nowhere to go, and it rotted out that board. It's got a nice little workbench here, and it does have electrical. So it looked like this was maybe a dressing room or something. It's a good looking trailer. It will need some work on the interior, and it shows normal wear and tear. It would make a good work trailer if you're handy. All right, it's lot number 118, 2007 Southwest Manufacturing. It's approximately 14-foot enclosed trailer. Good luck.